Friends, hello everyone. It has long been known that NORDBERG has everything for repairing cars and commercial vehicles. But not only. And today we present to you the N4M2 Lift. Lift for motorcycles and ATVs. All new products we release to the market are tested by our specialists. And this lift is no exception. While we have it, we will show it to you. Our connection block and hydraulic station are actually attached to the wall. Right now we have it lying on the floor. Let's just show you how this thing works for us. Right. So, at the very top stop, our highest lifting point is 116.5. This is if it is on the stopper. It can be raised higher, but then the limit switch is triggered and it stops the rise. Using the up button, we rise to the height we need. Once we have reached the required height, we place it on the stoppers. To lower it down, lift it up a little to loosen the stoppers. We raise the stoppers and lower the lift down by pressing one button. When I press the emergency button, everything turns off, nothing works. Accordingly, to remove the emergency shutdown, we turn it slightly to the right, the button shoots off, and everything works again. The length of the ladder is 220 centimeters. The width is 75. Elevating platform for the front plate. The front and rear platforms are removable for easy access to the suspension on this side. And with this one. Connection block. Hydroelectric power station. A very important function is the emergency release valve. You can purchase a separate set of expanders for ATV repair as an option.